So what you're gonna do, if you want to make an Amazon account, what you're gonna do is to just type create Amazon account on Google, and what you're gonna see next is the first link. You go to the first link, your name, your email, password, re-enter password, create account. So if they say your email account, your email is already already in use, so just change the email. This is it. This is the second option for me to do. And what I'm gonna do next is write my password, type my password, and then retype it, and then hit the enter button. Password is not matched, so I will hit it again. There you can see now you already in use. You indicated you are a new customer, but an account already exists with email address. So if you're having these kind of problems likewise, so what you're gonna do, what you should do is just make an email address, brand new email address on wherever you want, like Outlook, Hotmail, Gmail, and even then put it in the box. And after you are done with that, what you're gonna do is to just head to your Gmail account, and then verify your email address. So this is how you make your Amazon account. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with another video of mine. Till then, it's goodbye and have a good day. If you want to subscribe my YouTube channel, never hesitate to do so. Thank you. Bye.